Hey everybody, Mike here with the BFH Garage, and I got great news. My channel finally hit 500 subscribers and I'm stoked. To celebrate that, I have another giveaway. For those of you that have been with me from the beginning, you remember that I gave away an authentic CJ grill. I painted a Colorado flag on the front of it and gave that away to a Colorado subscriber. That was to get me off the ground. And now that the channel's growing like this, I'm gonna give away this next giveaway open to everybody. So what I have here is a display box that has some authentic CJ gauges. You have your speedometer, your oil, and your voltage gauge there. So pretty cool stuff. I'll give you a close-up on that in just a second. So how do you enter to win this great prize, you might ask? It's pretty simple. Go to my YouTube channel, the BFH Garage, and subscribe. But before you do, make sure your subscription is public. It has to be public in order for me to get an email notification that you subscribe. I will select a random winner from all of those entries. It's free and it's awesome. So one of the points of the giveaway is not only to reward you as subscribers, but it's also to continue to grow my channel. What I really need you to do to help me out is share my channel. Share it on Facebook, share it on other social media platforms that you may have. I would really appreciate that. We'll have more giveaways in the future, but for right now, let's focus on this baby. Last time I set a date to be subscribed by to be entered into the next drawing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this away once I reach 1,000 subscribers. So we're only 500 subscribers away. The more you share, the more that you tell people about the channel, get them to subscribe, the faster this thing goes and we can get on to the next giveaway, which will probably be epic like this one and the last one of the grill. So get in there, like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. You're gonna be entered. Let's take a look at this thing. Took some authentic CJ gauges, put them on some sheet metal, put a nice wood frame around it, backed it up with a distressed flag, and this is what we got. I think it turned out pretty cool. I really want to keep it myself, but in order to promote this channel, I am going to give it away. Thanks again for supporting the channel. Stay tuned. Let's see who wins this thing.